Well, guys, welcome back. How excited are you to take part in this third annual event?
And we're really excited. It's nice to be back on the lanes with some of the homies that we've bowled with before. I'm glad to see Mark out here again. He's told me best bowler for you.
Mark, I believe this is your fourth event technically, correct?
I believe so, yeah.
Okay, and you are...
Undefeated.
You're what?
Undefeated.
You're undefeated.
Yeah.
So have you got a prediction for today?
We're winning without a question.
We are winning. Them boys are going home. Look at them back there talking. They're trying to scheme on how they can beat us, but they can't.
Who's been practicing?
I have a little bit. I've been bowling like 3 times a week. Shoulder's not feeling it great right now, but it's all right.
I'm a little washed, not gonna lie, but it don't matter. I'm gonna lock in.
Okay, well, good luck today.
Thank you.
The alumni say they're going to beat you in this game today. How you feeling?
Beat us? Oh no, they're not gonna beat us. We're gonna trash on them. Especially Blake. He's trash.
I don't understand why they saying that, because they really finna lose.
Yeah. I don't know who this Reggie guy is. I don't know who he thinks he is, but he's gonna get beat.
Reggie says he hasn't been practicing, and Mark says he's got a bad shoulder.
Oh, perfect.
Does that help you guys out?
Yep.
No, we was gonna win either way.
It doesn't matter.
help us out.
It doesn't matter.
Okay, well, good luck today.
All right, thank you.
From class of 2023, Martin Macknick. And the rest of the bowlers from 2024, Blake Herzog, Ethan Taylor, Reggie Wilson, and 2 new arrived Myron Fish. For the 2025 boys team, freshman Seth Wallace. Sophomores Marion Pock and Connor Moore. Juniors Preston Blaze and Florentino Vance. And senior Isaac Deans.
This year, boys, Vikings 17.5 to 12.5. Nice job.
Yeah!